Good morning, student of class 8. Today we will study chapter 8, Outstanding Sportswoman, page number 118, last para, on the first day. Okay, so first I will read, then I have to explain. On the first day, the coach Rajni Sen told the members of the lawn tennis club that they needed to exercise every day and play the game with all earnestness. She said, "Welcome to this club. We will begin with warm up exercise, but you must practice every afternoon after class in the 40-minute zero period. With regular practice, you can learn to play lawn tennis well. You should also read about the life and achievements of the great sport person. This will inspire you to excel in the game. I am hopeful that you will play at the inter-school, state, national, and even international level one day. So, all the best." That evening, Shoma sat down with a magazine which had the cover story on PV Sindhu. She also picked an encyclopedia with details about Serena Williams. Now, you know that girl Shoma, she has taken lawn tennis. And now, on the first day, the coach Rajni Sen welcomed all the members and told means he instructed all members means all the students about in the lawn tennis club. First he has told that everyone you have to do regular exercise every day and you have to understand the game. Okay, with exercise they will start. Okay, and not only free time, you have to practice every afternoon after class during 40-minute zero period. You have to practice it with regular practice. Then you will play. You can learn more easy to play how to play lawn tennis, and you have to read also what life and achievements of the great sport person. Okay, it will inspire you if you will study, if you will read about them, so it will inspire you. So I think after that the coach said, I am very happy and I am hopeful. I hope that definitely one day everyone you will play at inter school level competition, state level competition, national level competition, and even international competition one day. So he after that he said, all the best for you. Okay, here check in the figure. PV Sindhu figure is there. After that, Soma sat down. On that day, she has taken a magazine. On that magazine, cover who was PV Sindhu. Some details about PV Sindhu, everything that written on the front page. And after that, she has taken encyclopedia, you know that a book which is giving more information about all the details about subject or aspect. So on that day she was reading about not only PV Sindhu, also about Serena Williams. Okay, on the next page number 119. So Soma began to read about PV Sindhu first. Puslara Venkata Sindhu is an Indian professional badminton player born on 5th July 1995. At the 2016 Summer Olympics, she became the first Indian woman to win an Olympic silver medal. Sindhu came into the limelight when she was ranked in the top 20 of the BWF World Ranking in September 2012. And she was just 17 years old then. Now, Soma, she has read more details about PV Sindhu. PV Sindhu, full name about of PV Sindhu, Pusarla Venkata Sindhu, and she was an Indian professional badminton player, and she was born on 5th July 1995. And at the 2016 Summer Olympics, PV Sindhu became the first Indian woman to win silver medal, Olympic silver medal. She became the first Indian woman. And after that, PV Sindhu came into limelight limelight. She was very famous and action when at the 2012 when she was ranked in the top 20 by the BWF World Ranking of Badminton. Okay, at the time she was only 17 years old. Now, second para. She became the first ever Indian women's singles player to win a medal at the Badminton World Championship. In 2015, she was conferred the Padma Shri. Soma took a deep breath and continued to read. PV Sindhu's parents played professional volleyballs. In 2000, her father, PV Ramana, was awarded the Arjuna Award for his contribution to Indian volleyball. And after that, Shoma, that girl, she has read more detail about PV Sindhu. PV Sindhu, that girl, that PV Sindhu, she was the first ever Indian women's single player to win a medal at the Badminton World Championship. Okay, and she was. This is the reason in 2015, Indian government has awarded her, PV Sindhu. It means what? Padma Shri, one of the greatest honor, Padma Shri. And after that, after reading more detail, now Shoma took a long, deep breath, quite relaxed. Why? Because it is a result of firm determination. And after that, actually, she read about the PV Sindhu's parents' detail. PV Sindhu's parents, they were professional volleyball. And in 2000, PV Sindhu's father, named PV Ramanna, who was also awarded by Indian government Arjuna Award. For why? For his contribution to Indian volleyball. Sorry, I have left. Okay, last para. Sindhu was inspired by the success of Pullela Gopichand 2001 All Indian England Open Badminton Championship and decided to play badminton. She began to play from the age of 8 and she was first trained under Mahbub Ali at the badminton court in Sikandrabad. Then she joined at the Gopi Chand Badminton Academy. She won praise for always reporting on time for coaching and would travel about 1 minute. Next page on about 56 kilometers from her home. Now Sindhu was inspired. Actually, Sindhu, how she began to play badminton? First, she was inspired. PV Sindhu was inspired by the success of Pullela Gopichand, very famous badminton player. In 2001, first she has noticed and then she inspired with the game badminton. And first she has noticed Pullela Gopichand in All England Badminton Open Championship and decided, after that she has decided that I will play badminton. And after that, at the time she was only 80 years old, and first Mahbub Ali, the coach, first he has trained PV Sindhu at the badminton court in Sikandrabad, and after that PV Sindhu has joined Gopi Chand Badminton Academy. There she won praise for always reporting on time. She was very punctual. Everyone, they are respecting her, and traveling about 56 kilometers from her home to Gopi Chand Badminton Academy. Okay, up to 119, up to I have explained. Rest tomorrow I will explain. Okay, thank you for today.